Are you a personal injury attorney? Have you been working from home since the pandemic? Tired of wondering how trial lawyers become a boss litigator? Then your time is now. The Dordick Trial College is here. May 13th through 16th. 100% of proceeds will be donated to cancer research. Attorney benefits, basic and advanced trial skills, lectures and workshops. A to Z Litigation's Master Program. Invest in yourself by learning from top trial lawyers. Gary A. Dordick, Christopher B. Dolan, Min Teen Nguyen, Arash Hamampur, Humberto Guizar, Michael Elder, Steve Vartzarian, Mauro Fior, Robert Simon. Sponsored by D4A Media, the Doctor for Accidents Case Manager Portal Directory of Lien Doctors. Visit doctorsforaccidents.com/register attorney.